Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it is at the very bottom of this list. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back and here let's enter the system. As you can see right here we've got the developer options, so simply tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the pointer location, so show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, because we've got the options for the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically all you have to do to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the top of the list and tap on this switcher at the top, and most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back to the system settings, you can see that the developer options will disappear, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.